Hey, Deanna and Chris, resources right now are what's so important to these families. And one of those supply drives just opened up here at San Pedro Catholic Church. You can see that these families can pull right on through here. They'll get loaded up with some water and other supplies. When we got here, this opened at 8 o'clock this morning. The line already wrapping all the way around the building really goes to show the need that there is right now. Families we talk to tell us they are just so grateful for this help.
I'm sure it might take a while. We're still just clearing the streets and getting power back, and then the supplies will there be a need for it a lot of times.
And you can see in video some of the conditions that they're dealing with. Parts of this area are submerged in water. You can see cars that are totally engulfed in water, and then some crews that are actually rescuing families from their homes because their homes are flooded so far that it's just the only access that they can get to their homes. Now, as far as power outages, that's another major issue throughout Sarasota County, especially in the southern parts. Those have been improving even just this morning. Right now, FPL is reporting 84,000 customers without power, but again, they tell us crews are out and working on that and will continue to do that until all power is restored. Here in Northport, there's a curfew in place from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. just for the safety of all the families here. Again, you can see them pulling right on through here so they can get some supplies, some water, ice, and some meals that are ready to eat to help them through this very difficult time as crews work to not only clean up that debris, but to get these families back on their feet. Again, much needed help and resources. This started at 8 o'clock. We're going to be here as they move forward with it to bring you all the latest. For now, we're live in Northport this morning. Back through 8 on your side.